What's that yacht, Gulliver?
Hello, you two. We don't know what it is. What do you think this is?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's an egg, of course.
But I just don't understand. What kind of an egg?
A seagull's egg. And when it hatches, a little teeny weeny seagull will come out, and I'll take care of him, and he'll love me, and I'm gonna be best friends with him, and we'll be the best friends forever, and
Isn't it a bit big for that? A gull's egg isn't usually that big.
It is. It's much too big to be a gull's egg. I think it might belong to a big bird, like a hawk. Simon, what do you think?
Oh, sorry, Diva, I was just listening to my music. Oh, hey, Surya. Hey, Varun.
this isn't a hawk's egg, is it, Simon? No, I think it's a seagull's egg.
Not sure. But does it really matter? Won't we like it either way?
Well, what if it's a big, ugly crow? I hate crows.
Crow babies are very sweet.
That's true. We saw baby crows, and it's really cute.
All babies are cute, and they all deserve to be loved.
Everyone deserves to be loved. It's the most important lesson to learn. On the outside, we may look different, but inside we are all the same. Everyone deserves to be loved. It's the most important lesson to learn. It doesn't matter if you're a fish, bird or mammal, we should all be treated the same way. A young colt taking their first steps, a duckling learning to swim, a tiny kitten opening their eyes for the first time, or a fledgling extending their wings. Everyone deserves to be loved. It's the most important lesson to learn. If we all cared for each other, this world will be really fun. A baby piglet rolling in the mud, a puppy playing with string, a small cub sleeping on their mother. It's all such a beautiful thing. Everyone deserves to be loved. It's the most important lesson to learn. On the outside, we may look different, but inside we are all the same.
Could it be a dinosaur egg?
A dinosaur? Oh, what if the mother comes back looking for it? She could be a brontosaurus or a tyrannosaurus rex.
Don't worry, Gulliver. There aren't any dinosaurs in Ireland anymore.
There aren't any more dinosaurs on Earth anymore. They're extinct.
They stink. I wouldn't say that to them.
No, they are extinct. It means that there aren't any left.
Yeah, Surya's right, Gulliver. It's not going to be a dinosaur's egg.
What about an alien? It could be an alien's egg and be full of aliens.
Let me have a look.
So, what do we think?
It's a stone, Gulliver.
A stone? Are you sure?
Quite sure it is a stone.
A stone?
Not a dinosaur egg.
No.
Not an alien?
No.
Not even a hawk's egg.
It is not even an egg.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.